Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete notes in Snapchat app very easily. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, write your comments, and let's get started. So friends, open the Snapchat app. Then on the top left, click on your Bitmoji to go to your page. And here, if you scroll around a little bit, you'll find this section here where you can find your Snapchat notes if you've added them. So how do you delete them? Deleting them is very easy. It's basically done the same way as deleting your history. You'll need to click on the image, and when it opens, click on the three dots. Click on the three dots on the top right. Next, simply click Delete. This is how you will delete your note or your favorite story from Snapchat. And from here on out, it will look exactly the same for you as it did for me without images. Here is such a simple and quick method you can easily delete a note in Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please friends, put your likes under the video, write comments, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye.